Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to class 3. Dear student, I am your teacher Rakshanda Noman. I am going to teach you general science. Today we will start the first topic, that is living and non-living things. That is the chapter in which we will study about the different things in the world that classified as living and non-living things. First of all, we will start from the topic that is our surrounding. What is our surrounding? So students, we have seen many things in our surrounding that are plants, animals, insects, human beings, sky, clouds, water, mountains, rocks, and houses, clothes, etc. After that, we will start the topic classification of the things. We will classify the things that present in the world into two main groups. These are living things and non-living things. Examples of living things are human beings, animals, plants. Here are the pictures of the human beings, plants and animals. Non-living things further divided into two main groups. Natural non-living things. Natural non-living things that existed naturally in the world. The examples are mountains, sun, stars, moon, rocks, etc. The next group is man-made non-living things. The examples are buildings, chair, table, and all the things that made by the human beings. These are some examples of living and non-living things, and you can easily identify all these things. After that, students, we will solve some worksheets that is in front of you. In this worksheet, can you classify the things? Like the first picture is of living thing, that is tree. Yes, the next picture is of, what will be the answer? Yes, that is the girl. It is also living thing. The next is of non-living things. What will be the next one? That is also the living things. The next one is jellyfish, that is living thing. Then jug is the non-living thing. Non-living thing clock is here. Snail and butterfly is also categorized into the living things. In this picture, there is another worksheet in front of you. You can easily be classified these pictures into the two columns, living and non-living things, like dog, cat, fish, flower, ant is related with the column living things. Then the ball, car, chair, camera, and bicycle is categorized into the non-living things. The next picture is in front of you, that is the related with the living things, non-living things, natural non-living things, and man-made non-living things. So students, how will you identify these pictures? Yes, the number one picture is of, can you give the answer? Yes, that is related with the natural non-living things. Yes, the next picture is of man-made non-living things. The third picture is of non-living things, and the last one is related with the living things. Now, this is another worksheet in which you can easily be classified the pictures in front of you into the two columns, natural and man-made non-living things like sun, stars, lighting, fire, lava are related with the natural non-living things, while torch, buildings, firework, car and matchsticks will come in the man-made non-living things. Now there are some questions in front of you. You will give the answers of these questions and you will write the answers into your copies. Like number 1 question is, what is the surroundings? The next one is, draw the pictures of 2 natural and 2 man-made non-living things. Number 3 is, name 5 living and non-living things. So students, you can easily give the answers of these questions with the help of the video that we have discussed here. Thank you.